With a large water removal capacity of up to 232 pints per day in a space as large as 8,000 square feet, this heavy-duty dehumidifier can fit virtually every residential, commercial, and industrial need, being ideal dehumidifiers for large basements, warehouses, garages, office buildings, workshop, indoor pool, supermarkets, restaurants, etc. The motorized impeller moving at 353 CFM ensures maximum airflow for faster drying. You can even get jobs done within 10 minutes. Hence, this commercial-grade dehumidifier is also great for water damage restoration after a flood or leak, and new building construction drying. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Intuitive control panel. Easy-to-use control panel with easy-to-read LED screen provides the ease of setting target humidity level, programming auto on-off timer, and monitoring the real-time room temperature and humidity level. Number 2. Auto humidity control. With automatic humidistat, power outages auto restart, auto defrost, and continuous drainage features, this dehumidifier allows for low-hassle humidity control that doesn't require your constant attention. Number 3. Easy transport. Packed with two 8-inch large semi-pneumatic wheels, 2 flexible front casters, and a sturdy bar handle, this large dehumidifier is easy to move from one job site to another, and even from downstairs to upstairs. Number 4. Keep basements dry, forcefully drawing the moist, wet air in. COLZER dehumidifier releases clean, dry, and warm air back into the surrounding environment to keep your damp basements always dry and comfortable, and save the cost for repairs of structural damage. Number 5. Ensure storage safe. This industrial dehumidifier allows you to set a target humidity level between 10% and 98% in the increment of 1% according to your needs, and then maintains the humidity accurately at the set point to ensure your properties and the warehouse are in good condition. Number 6. Water damage restoration. It's crucial to dry your place as fast as possible to prevent damage to furniture, floors, carpets, and walls after floods, leaks, or burst pipes. This restoration dehumidifier can bring the relative humidity down quickly, help you to remove water with ease. Number 7. Construction areas fast dry. High humidity levels may lead to delays, corrosion, and coating failures in areas where you plan to apply a protective coating. Pros use this commercial dehumidifier to cure the coating properly and prevent trapped moisture and subsequent damage. Number 8. 232 PPD dehumidifier. Up to 232 pints moisture removal per day. This large capacity dehumidifier works well for urgent water damage restoration, fast structural drying, and other jobs that require fast dry. Number 9. Industrial and commercial grade dehumidifier. This high-efficiency dehumidifier operates at a high airflow rate of 353 CFM for rapidly eliminating moisture in large spaces up to 8,000 square feet, like basements, warehouses, garages, shops, and many other commercial and industrial institutions. Number 10. Robust construction. This ETL-listed dehumidifier is made of a metal outer casing that is anti-collision and anti-corrosion, ensuring long-term use and easy maintenance, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.